Lab 4 Extended Basics. Objective: to be able to view and configure some basic areas of the router. Lab equipment: we will be using router 1. To select router 1, click on the button labeled router 1 at the top of the screen. Get to the router prompt. We wish to view the list of all available commands at this prompt. Enter the command that is used to view all the available commands. Now enter privileged mode. This is the mode that lets you have total control of the router. View the available commands in privileged mode. We would like to configure the router. What command do we use to get into configuration mode? The router's hostname is used for local identification. When you log onto the router, you see the hostname in front of the prompt. This can be used to identify the location or function of the router. Set your router's hostname to GSG. What command do you use to configure the hostname? The enable password controls access to privileged mode. This is a very important password because in privileged mode you can make configuration changes. Set your enable password to Cisco. What command will you accomplish this with? Let's test this password. Exit out of the router and try to enter privileged mode. Notice what password got you into privileged mode. Now type confterm and proceed with the lab instructions in the next step. The only problem with the enable password is that it appears in plain text in the router's configuration file. If you need to show someone this file so that they can help you troubleshoot a problem, you may inadvertently compromise the security of your systems by revealing the passwords. What command will create an encrypted password? Set the enable secret password to Cisco. What command did you use? You can now test this password by logging out of the router and then typing enable. The enable secret is an additional password over and above the enable password. In fact, it overrides the enable password. If you have set both passwords, the enable secret is the password you use to enter into privileged mode. The enable password is still present but is now deactivated.